was my first day of Christmas Glam, and yes, I'm using a blur stick for my face. I'm putting that all over the areas that I have large pores, and then I'm also using the NYX Angel Veil to help blur my skin out. And then I'll be using this liquid highlighter by Wet n Wild, and I'm just blending that all over my face just to make it a little bit of glow. I will now put on my foundation. I'll be using this diamond sponge by Real Techniques, and yes, it was a really good sponge. It is soft and it reached those areas that a regular sponge cannot reach. So for the concealer, I'm just putting that on the inner corner and then blending that towards the outer corner. Then I will be priming my eyes first. I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre, and I will be blending that all over my eyelids. So before I start my eyes, I will be putting a little bit of a setting powder because I'm using glitter and it helps to catch all the fallout. I'm using my Modern Renaissance, and I'll be taking the shade Bon Fresco, and I'll be using that as a transition color. Next, I will mix Venetian Red and Soft Ochre, and I will be dabbing that all over the outer V and dragging that towards the crease as well, and making sure that I blend that properly so that I don't have any harsh lines. I'm using a blending brush in the Morphe Gilded collection. Next, I will be taking the shade Cypress Umber in the palette, and I will be putting that on the outer V and then dragging it and blending it towards the inner corner just to give depth to our eyes. And I'm just blending that so that it doesn't have any harsh lines. So next is I'm carving out a half cut crease, and I'm using my Born This Way concealer and this detailed highlighter brow bone highlighter by Jaclyn Hill Master Collection, and I really love this. So once you already carved out, I'm using this NYX glitter primer, and I'm dabbing that all over the cut crease that I made with the concealer, and this will help the glitter to stick onto our eyelids. For the glitter, I'm using Absolute New York's Glitz and Glitter, and I will just put that all over the area that I put on the. Then I'm using the shade Cypress Umber again, just to blend the cut crease and the outer V area so that it doesn't look harsh, and also the crease area. Then I'll be dusting off the setting powder that we used to catch the fallout. Next, I'll be using the Benefit Roller Lash just to blend the fake lashes that I put on and my real lashes. Then I'll be taking all the shades that I use in our upper eyelid, and I'll be putting that in the lower lash line just to smoke it out a little bit. And then I'll be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil. I'll put that on my waterline just to make my eyes pop a little bit. So moving on in the face again, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'll be contouring my face. So make sure you blend all your contour areas properly so that it doesn't look very, very harsh. Then I will be taking a blush, and yes, I'm doing a faux freckle look for this one. That's why I'm grabbing this pinky corally shade, and I'll be putting that in the apples of my cheeks, dragging it towards the nose area, and then just blending it properly so that it doesn't look very, very harsh. Now I'll be grabbing this Radiant palette, and I'll put that all over my apples, the apple of my cheek, so And then I'll be starting to put on some faux freckles using my brow pencil. Make sure you also put some on the nose area so that it kind of look a little bit natural. And right after, we're going to glow up ourselves. I'll be using the ABH Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and did you see that highlight? It's popping. Now that I'm done with the face, I'll be moving on with the lips. I'm using a shade from the Jeffree Star collection, and then just right after that, I'll be using Rihanna's Fenty Glow lipstick to complete the look. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification down below so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Advance Merry Christmas, everyone, and I'll see you on my next one.